Right now, all the stores are revoked, but I'll show you how to get the store to get LazyMan from, and then when they're unrevoked, I'll show you how to get LazyMan. And I will put the link in the description for this store. And there's another store I use a lot, Ignition, that lets you know. When you go to the link, go down to this one right here, install. And then in a second, when it pops up, it just takes a minute sometimes. Hit allow. And then when it says profile download, hit close. And then go into your settings. And where it says profile downloaded, just click that. Hit install. Then put in your code. Then after you put in your code, hit install. Hit install one more time. Then hit done. And there's AppValley. And right now, see, when they're not revoked, it'll say get like the Spotify fix does. But since right now it doesn't have get next to them, they're all the apps are revoked. And if you just go to search and type in LazyMan, this is where you can install it. And when they become unrevoked, I'll show you how to install LazyMan. You can also get it from Ignition, and I'll put a link for Ignition in the description also. And this one lets you know if the apps are revoked or not. Like when you go to all apps, they're all revoked. And LazyMan's on this list too. And when they're not revoked on Ignition, where it says revoked, it'll say signed. And that's where you can download them. And it's kind of far down this list. But there's LazyMan also. And when it says signed, or it says revoked, is when you can download it. But I will put a link for both of these stores in the description. And when they are signed and available for download, I'll show you how to install LazyMan.